commissioned Groundworks to do the project because we were really interested in improving the well-being of university students here at the University of Hertfordshire, and we were really keen to tie in with the community garden which we have in the background here to help improve the university spaces.
I just joined this society because I wanted to meet new friends, honestly. It wasn't because of gardening, it was honestly to make new friends, but then after I got in, I met the new friends and I actually started actively joining the hard work that is gardening.
I chose to do the gardening voluntary because I had always been interested in doing something different and out of my course, and gardening is one of them. It's been quite a fun and fruitful activity, and it keeps you active, it makes you work more than you would. A lot of things that you don't do during the whole day.
It's very therapeutic actually. It really helps me feel less stressed and more happy. I don't know if that makes sense, but I feel much more happier doing gardening than actually running. So I feel more one with nature compared to just running in the cold.
Just in 2 hours you literally do a lot of activity that you don't even think about it, you don't realize, and yeah, it keeps you happy. It's really good. You make a lot of friends.
I don't think I'm gonna stop now. I feel like I have to garden every single week, or at least once a week.